Welcome to Current Affairs. In this video, we're gonna get you a national event, so with no further ado, let's get started. Pramod Kohli took over as Central Administrative Tribunal Chief. Justice Pramod Kohli, who was appointed as the new chairman of the Central Administrative Tribunal, took charge in the first week of April. He has been appointed to the post for 5 years or till attaining the age of 68 years, whichever is earlier. He succeeds Justice Sid Rafat Alam. Born in 1951, he joined the bar in 1972 and became Advocate General of Jammu and Kashmir in December 1990. He is considered to be an expert in constitutional, civil and taxation laws. He was posted in the High Courts of Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand and Punjab and Haryana. He then was elevated to Chief Justice of the Sikkim High Court in 2011. The CAT has been established for adjudication of disputes with respect to recruitment and conditions of service of persons appointed to public services and posts under the control of the Union Government. For more updates, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like and share. Peace.